Versa, Alas is back once again. Andito tayo sa may crossing EDSA MRT. Naka-new arrival sila, Passion Delight. Crossing EDSA MRT station located. Nandun lang po ang MRT, bababa lang po kayo dito. Nandito lang po ang Passion Delight. New arrival, Passion Delight. Crossing Mandaluyong EDSA. Copy. Alas in. Nike Zoom size 11. Price 18. Nike Zoom. Nike Air Force 1 triple double white. Price 18. Size 8.5. Nike Air Force 1 triple double white. Nike Air Max Bubble. Price 18. Size 9. Nike Air Max Bubble. Nike Paul George size 8. Price 28. Nike Paul George Kyrie Irving. Price 28. Size 9.5. Kyrie Irving. Nike Michael Jordan React. Price 28. Size 8.5. Nike Michael Jordan React Low. Under Armour Stephen Curry. Price 28. Size 9. Under Armour Stephen Curry. Nike Sakai. Price 28. Size 9. Nike Sakai triple double white. Low. Nike Kobe Bryant Low. Price 28. Size 9. Nike Kobe Bryant Low. Ma'am, ito po yung mga dress na new arrival. Madami po yan. New arrival dress pambabae. New arrival. Adidas shoes. Size 8.5. Price 18. Adidas Boost. Nike Travis Scott. Price 18. Size 8. Nike Travis Scott. Adidas Ultra Boost. Size 8.5. Price 18. Adidas Ultra Boost. Nike Michael Jordan. Price 18. Size 7. Nike Michael Jordan. Nike Travis Scott. Size 8.5. Price 18. Nike Travis Scott. Nike Air Force 1 size 9. Price 18. Nike Air Force 1. Adidas triple double black. Price 18. Size 10. Adidas triple double black. Nike Michael Jordan size 8.5. Price 15. Nike Michael Jordan. Nike Air Max Bubble. Price 18. Size 9. Nike Air Max Bubble Low. Nike Michael Jordan size 8. Price 18. Nike Michael Jordan. Onitsuka Tiger size 8. Price 15. Onitsuka Tiger shoes. Nike size 9. Price 15. Nike shoes. New Balance size 9. Price 18. New Balance. Nike SB. Price 18. Size size 9.5, Nike SB Onitsuka Tiger, price 1,250. Size 9, Onitsuka Tiger. New Balance, price 1,800. Size 12, New Balance 1,800. New arrival. Puma shoes, size 8, price 1,800. Puma shoes, new arrival, all items, garments and shoes. Adidas Ultra Boost, price 1,800. Size 8.5. Adidas Ultra Boost, new arrival, all items. Nike shoes, Kyrie Irving, price 1,800. Size 9. Nike Adidas triple double black, price 1,800. Size 9. Adidas triple double black. Ma'am, sir, ito po yung new arrival bag, may kasamang shoes. New arrival, bag and shoes, garments. Ayun po ang mga pansuot na pambabae hanggang doon sa may dulo. Papakita ni Alas. Gucci shoes, price 2,800. Size 7. Gucci shoes, new arrival. Ma'am, sir, ito po yung mga bag na pambabae. Solid bag. Solid bag. Okay, ma'am, sir. Solid bag. Nike Air Force 1, size 10, price 2,800. Nike Air Force 1. New Balance, price 1,800. Size 8.5. New Balance, new arrival. Alexander McQueen, size 8, price 1,800. Alexander McQueen triple double black. Nike Michael Jordan, size 8.5, price 2,800. Nike Michael Jordan. Nike Sakai low, price 2,800. Size 9. Nike Sakai low. Nike Michael Jordan, size 9.5, price 2,800. Nike Michael Jordan. Alexander McQueen, price 780. Size 6. Alexander McQueen low. Nike Michael Jordan low, price 2,800. Size 8. Nike Michael Jordan low. Reebok, price 1,500. Size 8.5. Reebok. Nike Sakai low, price 2,800. Size 11. Nike Sakai low. Nike Fall George, price 2,800. Size 8. Nike Fall George. Nike Michael Jordan, price 2,800. Size 9. Nike Michael Jordan. Nike Air Force 1, price 2,800. Size 8.5. Nike Air Force 1, new arrival. Nike Michael Jordan low, price 2,800. Size 10. Nike Michael Jordan low. Jordan MJ. Nike Kevin Durant, price 28, size 10. Nike Kevin Durant. Nike Air, price 28, size 10. Nike Air. Nike LeBron James, price 28, size 9.5. Nike LeBron James. Nike Travis Scott Air Jordan Low, price 28, size 9.5. Nike Michael Jordan Travis Scott Low. Nike Kobe Bryant Low, price 28, size 9.5. Nike Kobe Bryant Low. Nike Air Pump, price 18, size 8.5. Price 18. Nike Air Pump. Adidas, price 18, size 10. Adidas. Nike shoes Air Force 1, price 18, size 10. Nike Air Force 1, new arrival, ukay all items. Nike Air Max Bubble, price 18, size 9. Nike Air Max Bubble. Vans, price 1250, price size 8. Vans shoes. Nike Kobe Bryant Low, price 18, size 8.5. Nike Kobe Bryant Low. Versa, Alas, naka-new arrival, Passion Delight, Crossing Mandaluyong EDSA. Alas, back to back. Thank you.